Okay, today we're going to be making paper fidget spinners. Right? Alright, today you need Q-tips, scissors, a pen, and cardboard. Alright, so alright. What you do first you grab it. Oh, and you also need paper. First you grab a piece of paper. You grab a piece of paper. You get everything out your own. And then you fold it. Like you fold it in half. And you got it hamburger style. Hot dog style. And then you fold it hot dog style again.
No. And
then you got this. And then you fold it hamburger style. Hamburger style. And then you got this. Alright, then you open it. And then you grab it by the corner. You grab it and then you fold it in the middle like this. You grab the ends and you fold it opposite ways though. So I folded it that way, then I folded it that way. But you need 2 pieces of paper. And then you got it like this. And then when you get it like this, you fold it like this. You make the ends look like make it look like a triangle on both sides.
I'm also having issues.
And then you do the same thing with more paper.
This is how you make a fidget spinner. This is how you make a fidget spinner right here.
Please stop.
No.
Then you fold it. What you do is, well, you already know how to get this. So I'm gonna just fold it. Then you got it like this. Remember, fold it hamburger style. Open it and up. And then you got this. And then you make your triangles at the end. And then this is when the hard part comes in. Making your ninja star. Alright, you have to have it a certain way. This part right here has to go on front. And then this part, you put this part on top of this. So it looks like this and this. And then you grab it, turn it, and then you turn it into a triangle. But first you do this. You fold it one way, and you grab the other side, and you fold it the other way. So then you got that part. Then you open it back and then you fold it into the flats that you have.
So your dishes, come on. Get your dishes.
Okay. And then open it again, and then you put the other one up underneath something else. Up underneath the other one.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you got that part done. So then you flip it over, and then you do the same exact thing. Ninja spin! What you doing?
I'm gonna get you one day and another.
Gonna get you one day. and you got it like this. I'm gonna sit down. Alright, you got it like that, and then you got it like this. It looks like an angel. And then you turn it, flip it over, and then
to make up the spray. And then at the end of it, that's how you make a fidget spinner.
and then you do this, and then you fold it. You take it out. And turn it. Alright, you take it off.
This is how to make up.
Sorry for the mess up. I don't ever get it on the first try.
No one ever gets it on the first try.
No one ever gets it on the first try.
You just don't want me in the video.
Because y'all don't know how to act. I'm sorry, guys.
I'm gonna get in there and wait. Then I'm gonna act real good.
Sorry for this.
Hello everyone.
Alright, then you have this. From this, it turns into this. And then you get a Q-tip or a toothpick. Doesn't really matter. And then you cut the ends off. And then you grab a piece of cardboard box. You fold it. You cut that part out. You got this piece. Then you grab your pen and then you grab a coin. And then for your coin you got this. Alright, then you trace your coin. There we go. And then you cut that circle out.
And then this is how you did this.
And then you cut two of these out. And then you get your Q-tip, and then you poke a hole in your cardboard. And then you stick it in, you stick your Q-tip.
Hey guys.
Shh, one thing.
Hey guys.
What?
May I pass for you?
Don't hit me with that. And then you stick it in there.
What's up,
Don't mind him, he's stupid. Alright, then you got this part. Mate, stop, please. Mate, can you please stop? Mate!
Well, sure. We need it. No.
Then you poke a hole. Then you make it. And then
Ew.
you grab your fidget spinner.
Ew.
And then you poke a hole in the middle of your star. And then you grab your caps and you put them on the end. And then you take your Q-tip and you slide it in. And then that's when you turn out to have a fidget spinner. Thank you guys for watching. May you please subscribe. This kid's crazy. Don't mind him, because we might have plenty of more videos. Thank you. Goodbye. See you next time.
See you next time.